Alright guys, welcome back to AKCC. Currently getting coffee right now. Efren's going to the auction. We will meet you guys back at the office. Alright, so currently back at the office, still waiting on Efren. You guys will already be seeing the video up and live, but currently editing the Grid Life Laguna Seca 2025 vlog, as we like to call Laguna Seca Madness. But yeah, I think today we are going to Costco, so stay tuned. All right, guys.
What?
Looks like Efren just got back. Did you go to Costco without me?
Sorry, guys. Come check out the Costco haul. Right here we got toilet paper.
That's paper towels, sir.
Toilet paper right here. You know, we gotta keep ourselves clean. Right here, just in case we have any accidents, any slips, any spills, we can absorb those. And then right here for our customers, we got some water, some Red Bull, sugar-free, of course. Gotta watch the calories. And, of course, the beautiful White Monster in the Off-White Monster 2006 Mini Cooper S.
And this is manual, right?
Yes, it is. 6-speed manual, supercharged, 1.6 liter. Doesn't get better than that.
Tell the viewers, did you shave?
Oh, yeah. As you can see, beard's gone. New year, new me. This video is going to be posted on January 1st, 2026. So,
all right, now that we got a little bit of some stock, some supplies, what are we really doing today, Efren?
Today, we got some really special stuff going on. The 912 is getting picked up, going home to get serviced, and yeah, the Jeep is still there. What else we got?
I don't think we have much.
Yeah, Mini Cooper's going away today, so stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be sick.
All right, guys. So going out here to the lot, looks like Efren's in the 912. Currently getting it ready to be shipped off back to. I actually have no idea, but he can tell you that.
What's up, jabronis?
Where is this getting shipped off to?
It's getting shipped off back to its home in. Our Master Tech mechanics are gonna take care of it. Get it nice and tuned up, and actually we're gonna bleep the location. I don't want anyone finding out.
Oh, yeah. So, you might be wondering, why is this car here? Well, like I said, 1967 Porsche 912 Golf Blue. I believe only 500 of these remain. Correct me if I'm wrong. But, beautiful, beautiful blue.
Yeah, guys, so, like Augie said, we acquired this somehow. We're going to keep it very vague for you guys because this is a very special car, and I don't want to give out that personal information. You guys can infer what you will. Comment down below how you think we got this car. If you know, you know.
Go on the DDE subreddit. Now, as you guys can see, super simple interior. Our steering wheel, our gauges. So, here we have Blaupunkt radio. We have a do not misuse warning signal. I actually have no idea what that does, but this is actually the cigarette lighter. Simple, timeless, classic, retro, as I do say so myself. Look at the horn. You don't press down on here, you press these. Really cool, nice features, super simple, a driver's enthusiast car. Tell me what you guys think down below, what you think about this car. It is manual. Heading back into the office, gonna let him deal with that. And yeah, here's my car, Mercedes SOK. I love it, but would not mind having it turn into maybe potentially 2013. This is a 2002, so I actually am older than the car by 1 year. All right, guys. Getting it onto the tow truck. You already know. Here we have this big ass fucking tow truck. Picking it up right here. Super simple. Any last words, Efren, before we say goodbye?
Well, you know, we had a good run. AKCC, you love them and leave them.
Never before seen Efren going on top of the ramp of the tow truck.
We just took this 912 vintage Porsche up a ramp, Evel Knievel style, and we stuck the landing, guys.
Sad to say goodbye. Headed back into the office, finalize everything we need to do.
That's it, guys. Porsche 912 is going home, like we said. Yeah, on to our next project, on to our next adventure. AKCC. Yeah, that's it.
Costco run?
Costco run.